would like to ask, what are the benefits of spaying and neutering female pets?
Okay, so talking about dogs first, like if male dogs, after neutering, they become more docile, the aggressiveness is decreased. Okay, and in female dogs, all such conditions are avoided, like pyometra, endometritis, ovarian tumors, mammary tumors. This all are avoided after neutering, and this helps in increasing the lifespan of the pet, because pyometra and all are very deadly diseases. So better to neuter them. And in cats, in male cats, the spraying is one of the physiological event in cats. Like this, they mark their territory by spraying, like marking the territory.
Okay.
Like seen in tigers as well. So after neutering the male cat, the spraying is stopped, and the cats become more docile. They are become more very friendly compared to before neutering.
Okay.
So it's always better to go for neutering.
And are there any specific behavioral changes that happens with the neutering part?
After neutering?
Yes, sir.
No, they become more, if the dog or cat is aggressive, they become more docile, they become more friendly after neutering.
Okay. So if your dog is aggressive, it's recommended to neuter your dog.
Yeah.
Okay. So what is the ideal age for neutering, sir?
Okay. So talking about dogs first. So female dogs is again as per the breed, like small size, medium size, large size. Okay. In small size, the puberty age is very early compared to large breed dogs. Okay. So in them, like around 8 to 10 months of age, you can go for neutering in small breed dogs. In medium sized dogs, the neutering is advisable from 10 to 12 years of age. 10 to 12 months of age, not years, sorry. And in large breed dogs, 1 year to 1.6 years.
Yes, sir. But basically, now you have mentioned that from 10 to 12 months or 1.5 years. Yeah. So, isn't this a bit earlier?
No, it's not earlier. The scenario is neutering you can do when dog gets 2 cycles. So, first cycle is silent heat in dogs when the ovaries are not matured. Okay. So that is the first cycle. They get around 6 to 7 months of age. Okay. And second cycle, they may get, again, second cycle is also not matured. So some dogs show after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So that's why we are saying after 1 year. So after 2 cycles, the ovaries are matured and you can go for neutering. And secondly, after 1 year of age, dogs attain their proper growth, proper weight, and the growth is attained properly. So after 1 year, you can go for neutering. And in dogs, as per the size, like small size breed dogs, they mature. They come to puberty very early compared to large size dog. Like if you compare Shih Tzu to German Shepherd, Shih Tzu will come in puberty very early compared to German Shepherd dog. Okay. So in dogs, it's go as per the size or breed of the dogs. In cats, female cats attain puberty after 6 to 8 months of age, and you can do their neutering after 10 months in female cats. Same for male cats also. Like after 10 months, you can go for neutering.
Okay. All right.
The thing is, you have to decide whether you want to mate your dog pet or you want to go for neutering. You can't decide like मुझे ये भी करना है वो भी करना है. आपको decide करना है कि अगर आप उसका ख्याल रख पाओगे after mating, you can help them to achieve the pregnancy properly without any discomfort. Then you can keep the uterus. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको uterus निकालना ही है. It depends on your this thing. कि आपके पास nowadays people don't have time. That is the main concern. So most of them neuter early, like around 1 year of age, and they can see all psychological and physiological events happening when they are in heat, like dogs showing different behavior, cats showing different behavior. That's why nowadays pet owners are they're aware and they know about neutering. So it is advised.
Right. So basically, sir, what advice would you like to give to the pet parents who are considering their pets to be breeded or for the mating part?
Yeah. So first thing is when the dog or cat, when they are like mating for the first time, we call it as prime para, like they are conceiving for the first time. Okay. In such cases, look for same sized male. Okay, same aged male. Don't mate like too big male dog with a small female. That can cause dystocia and other these things. So always look for the same sized male for the first first pregnancy. And in first pregnancy, the uterus is not developed, so always go for same sized males.
Okay.
Second, check for the deworming records, their vaccine records, because it's very essential in dogs and cats because they have endothelial placenta in dogs and cats. Okay, so that means like the kittens and pups, when they are in the uterus, they hardly get immunity from their dam, like from their mother, due to this kind of placenta. Hardly they get 5 to 10% of the immunity when they are in the uterus. So it is, if you don't vaccine them before this thing conceiving, the kittens and pups, they don't get that kind of immunity. And the pups and kittens, then when they are delivered, they are not that immune to any kind of viral disease. So it's
Okay.
always check your records for deworming, check your vaccine records. If they are due, get done their all the record, get them vaccination, and then go for this thing, what you can say, mating.
Right. So vaccination is a very important part.
Important. As I told you that they have endothelial placenta. The from parent to kitten, it's not diffusible, so it's not transmissible. So if you don't vaccine, they won't get any immunity from there when they are in uterus. So again, pups and kittens born are very unhealthy, so they get a lot of viral infections when they are born. So just keep in mind before eating. And if your dog is showing any kind of pus discharge, any kind of discharge, then don't conceive them. Just consult your vet, show him, then he will advise you properly. Okay.
Right. So, as you told about vaccination, any other important factors we should consider before meeting?
Yeah. If you are using male from unknown origin, you don't know the male, then just check his semen profile. Just take its semen and just send it to the lab for the macro and micro examination. There are few tests. There is Brucella test. Brucella canis is very common. Not common, but it is there. Just go for testing of Brucella and go for macro and micro examination of the semen of a dog before mating. It is very helpful.